Now from WMAR-2 News, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
And we really are getting our tastes of the seasons across the state of Maryland. We woke up to numbers this morning at 49 degrees here in the city of Baltimore. That means that areas to the north of us and some of those higher elevations, they were in the mid 40s. So definitely felt almost like a early winter morning. But as we head into the day tomorrow, we'll get a little bit closer to where we should be, expecting temperatures to be near 60 degrees for most of us. So a couple of folks will wake up to numbers in the upper 50s, but still going to be different type of morning. Still may need the light jacket if you're cold-natured. By afternoon, though, we'll see those numbers get very seasonal. We're forecast to get to 79 degrees, but that's going to be the warmest day in the forecast period because we're looking at a cold front that is going to eventually bring some Canadian air into the region, and that means that highs, well, they're going to struggle to get into the upper 60s. So some folks that are getting up early in the morning a couple of days this weekend may need the light jacket. But let's get you started with tomorrow. And of course, we're watching the remnants of Sally, or at least Tropical Depression Sally at the moment, continuing to soak portions of the southeast. We have near zonal flow for the rest of us, but we're watching a cold front that's going to build. And those two are going to kind of be working in tandem. Notice how you can see the moisture from the tropical system lifting up from the south, but you see that cold front starting to build in. That's going to create some instability. I do think that we're dry through most of the day. Some of our southern counties, some of our southern communities have the best chance of seeing some showers as we head into your Thursday evening, but I do not think that this will be an overwhelming event. The rain that we do see will be rather light in nature. I know folks are on edge because we've seen rain totals of over 2 feet in some places from this system. Not concerned about that by any stretch of the imagination with the rain that we're going to expect for your Thursday. It's going to be rather light, and the best chance of seeing those showers will be in the evening and in the southern portion of the state. Temperatures will still warm into the upper 70s thanks to that southerly flow. And as we head towards Friday, we'll start to see those showers starting to trickle out as that rotation lifts on through. And then you can start to see some clearing from the northwest. And that's going to be that cold front starting to slide into view. And that's going to be dropping those temperatures as we head into the overnight. And check out where some folks are going to end up before midnight. Back into the upper 40s in places like Parkton and Westminster. And I think that air will eventually build in for the rest of us also. We're looking at cooler and drier air for the weekend, where daytime highs struggle to get into the 60s. And then we're back into the 70s as we head towards the weekend. But we're watching the tropics where we have lots going on. Of course, Sally is now a tropical depression with winds sustained at 35 miles per hour. Eyes now focusing on Teddy, which is a Category 1 storm. It has weakened a little bit, but the forecast track calls for it to intensify once again into a Category 2 hurricane, and then eventually potentially a major hurricane with Category 3 status, but eventually curving off towards the north. We'll keep you posted.